Callum never expected to be the one lying on the edge of death, especially after being shot by Rocco. The situation turns quickly from control to chaos, and for the first time, Callum is the one losing power. As his condition worsens, he realizes he may not have much time left. In that final moment, Callum does something no one expected. Despite his history with Jason, he chooses to reveal a secret. His voice is weak but clear enough to deliver one last piece of information that could change everything. He tells Jason that Nathan is not who everyone thinks he is. The man they have been dealing with is an imposter. This revelation comes as a shock, especially given the source. Callum has no reason to help Jason, which makes his word even more important. It suggests that the truth is bigger than their conflict, and that something dangerous is still unfolding behind the scenes. Jason is left stunned by what he hears. The idea that Nathan could be an imposter raises immediate questions and concerns. It means that everything they believe about the situation may be wrong, and that someone has been manipulating even from the shadows. Instead of ignoring it, Jason knows he has to take this seriously. Even if the information comes from Callum, it cannot be dismissed. If there is a fake Nathan involved, then there is a larger plan in motion, one that can still put many people in danger. Now Jason faces a new mission. He must uncover the truth, identify who is behind their deception, and stop whatever is coming next. But this path will not be easy. Whoever is pretending to be Nathan has already proven they can stay hidden and stay ahead. The danger is far from over. In fact, it may only be the beginning. Will Jason uncover the identity of the fake Nathan before it is too late, or will this hidden enemy strike again first?